Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I don't know if you've noticed, but I got a miniature microphone because nothing says I am serious about becoming a YouTuber and a content creator quite like a miniature microphone does. So, I hopped on the bandwagon and I got myself one, and now I feel like a real official. Like, look at me. I mean, apart from being in my satin PJs, I feel like it's giving professionalism. Okay. And I am here for it. Here for it. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. So, there is a hurricane coming to LA, and her name is Hilary. Okay, Hurricane Hilary. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I never thought I would see the day that LA would be issued a hurricane warning. So that was quite of a surprise. And honestly, I don't know why. I don't know how I get surprised anymore. I'm a millennial. I have seen just about everything. So I'm not gonna lie, I was a little shocked. I was a little shocked when I heard about a little hurricane. And I was a little worried too because um, I really don't fuck with water like that. I mean, I wash my body, okay, and I take baths, but like large bodies of water and large water storms, like hurricanes and stuff, they kind of scare me. They terrify me. Um, we just be beefing. I don't understand. I don't get it. But it's honestly, it's not that bad outside right now. It's kind of like a light drizzle. Yeah, it's giving like light drizzle, and it's actually a little relaxing. I have all of the windows open in my apartment, and just hearing the sound of the rain is super chill. So I kind of hope it stays like this because the category has weakened over time. At first, it was like a category 4, and then a category 3, and now it's a category 2. And honestly, I have nothing to be concerned about, but that was just a shocker for me. Um, in other news, let's get talking about what we're going to do today. Today, I'm going to focus on my baby Single Girl Club because I just came out with an ebook. It's called The Single Girl's Guide to Dating, and it teaches single women how to date with intention, with discernment, and without attachment. Also, it just helps single women have a more joyful dating experience because sometimes dating can be exhausting and it can be really frustrating. So I really just wrote the ebook to kind of help change the minds and perspective of dating for single women. So today I'm going to focus on the marketing plan for that and doing outreach because I want to sell some copies. Okay, I want to sell some units. That is my goal. So we're going to be focusing on that. And then a little bit on this Cafe Luna coffee pop-up that I've got coming up. And I'm so excited to share that in more detail with you guys. But I might work on that too. But before I do any work of any kind, I'm going to have my soft girl and slow morning, and I'm going to make myself breakfast, make myself some coffee. I'm not going to go on my walk because it's raining outside. Oh well, but that's okay. So yeah, let's get started with our day. Guys, so I had to get dressed after breakfast. And, there are some days that I can totally work in my PJs and not have a problem with that. But I wanted to get dressed today, mainly because I just did my laundry and I actually have clean clothes. So I'm wearing this dress that I got while I was in Italy. I had a little solo trip last year, which was so amazing. I still think about it constantly, like, take me back. But I am wearing this cute little dress today because it's like flowy, it's cute, we love it. And it makes me feel like I put more effort into my look than I actually did. So, yeah. But let's get to work because I feel like I've lollygagged enough. All right, I need to actually focus and zoom in on what I need to do today and check some things off of my to-do list. So let's get to it. Okay, so I am going to work on my social media plan for Single Girl Club. I have this brilliant idea to start doing IG takeovers with some of my girlfriends, and I have pitched and reached out to some of my girls to see if they'd be interested, and most of them are. So today I'm really going to organize how that's going to kind of flow into my social media plan that I already have, and I'll kind of move things around and pivot where I need to pivot. But I really want to start highlighting the community of Single Girl Club. I don't want to be the sole face of it. I really want to show other single women in the community that are doing amazing things. We're on a daily basis. So we are going to focus on doing and scheduling our IG takeovers today, as well as working on just the entire social media flow for the brand. And I also need do a little bit of research on the Pinterest side of things, because I feel like Pinterest really is a great opportunity for me to drive traffic to the website. I just don't know how to use it, guys. Okay, it's confusing. Pinterest is so confusing, and I really should just hire someone, but until this grant money hits, okay, I'm gonna have to learn how to do it by myself. So in the interim, I'll have to watch some YouTube videos and read some blog posts on how to, get better at the Pinterest game. But one step at a time, baby steps. I'm going overboard. Right, so update. I finished the social media plan and I incorporated all of our IG takeovers. So I'm very excited about that. Also, I did do some of the marketing stuff as well. I just didn't get a lot of that on camera, but that has been completed. And if you follow Single Girl Club on Instagram or Pinterest, you will see a lot of marketing for the ebook coming up. Follow our Pinterest, by the way, because I need help. I'm struggling. So just show me some love there. And also follow us on Instagram if you haven't already. So what else? I didn't really get to do any of the stuff for Cafe Luna. But that's okay. I will focus on that next week, and I will make sure to record it for you guys so I can give you guys a little sneak peek of what's to come for the upcoming event in September, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, I'm pretty much done for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna chill, watch some TV, hang out with my cats, maybe smoke a bowl. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Well, have a wonderful evening or day, or whenever you're watching this. Have a great just goodbye. See you later. See you next video.